Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the New Balance work shoes. So yeah, by the way, this video is not sponsored by any of this company. So yeah, let's go and then unbox this. New Balance. This one's the fresh foam. Size 8.5. Comfort white. Works. Comfort while you work. And this is the main size. It says fresh foam. On the back, you got the pull tab right here. Got the NB logo. Got the big N logo right here. And NB on the front of the toe box. So right here is all like a rubberized material. And right here is your lace. Got the New Balance tag right here on the tongue. Right here is your shoes tree. Says comfort insert, New Balance and B. Shoes are made in China. So this one has a toe protect. So that means steel toes pretty hard. Yeah, it doesn't even go down. And right here's the bottom of the outsole. Got the gray and then black color. Have this special texture. It says slip resistance. And you have the NB logo right here. And there you have it. Anyway, oh, this is the back. It looks kind of wavy and different. Not sure the way they design is to have a better support or something, the way you walk at work. Because the front looks pretty normal. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.